Welcome to the knowledge series of IT Pathshala. This tutorial video is the second part of IT Awareness and Terminology module. Our learners are advised to go through the first part of IT Awareness and Terminology module before proceeding with this video. In this tutorial, we'll talk about hard copies, soft copies, cyber terminology, and types of computer viruses. A hard copy is a printed document. It may be a text file, photograph, drawing, or any other type of printable file. When a document is created on a computer, smartphone, or any other electronic device, it is typically saved as a file on the device hard drive. This saved file is referred to as a soft copy. A soft copy can be easily opened, edited, and shared. Cyberspace refers to the non-physical environment created by the computers connected to a network. Cybercrime is criminal activity done using computers and internet. This includes anything from downloading illegal music files to stealing money from online bank accounts, creating and distributing viruses on other computers, posting confidential business information on the internet. Because cybercrime covers such a broad scope of criminal activities, the examples above are only a few of the thousands of crimes that are considered cybercrimes. However, the most prominent form of cybercrime is identity theft, in which criminals use the internet to steal personal information from other users. Cybersecurity refers to the technologies and processes designed to protect computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access, vulnerabilities, and attacks delivered via the internet by cybercriminals. ISO 27001 is the international cybersecurity standard that provides a model for establishing, implementing, operating, monitoring, reviewing, maintaining, and improving an information security management system. Virus is an umbrella term used to describe malicious programs that without your knowledge and permission install themselves onto your system or device. Viruses can cause a range of damage from the very mild to the entire loss of data stored on the infected device or system. Viruses can commonly be broken down into four categories: classic virus, trojans, worms, adware, or spyware. Classic viruses are malicious programs that rewrite existing codes on your system or device. Classic viruses are not so much unwanted additions to your system, but the mutations of the existing code. Trojans masquerade as legitimate files in your email, deceiving you into willfully adding them to your system's hard drive. Trojans rely on you to intentionally open your computer to them. Once on your machine, Trojans then function as independent programs that operate secretly. Commonly, Trojans steal your passwords. Worms or internet worms are different from Trojans, as they copy themselves without your direct assistance. They robotically worm their way into your email and begin broadcasting copies of themselves without permission. Because they do not require user intervention to reproduce, worms reproduce at an alarming rate. Adware and spyware are cousins to Trojans, worms, and viruses. These programs lurk on your machine. Adware and spyware are designed to observe your internet habits and then strike you with advertising or to report back to their owners via secret messages. Second part of our IT Awareness and Terminology module ends here. In this tutorial, we discuss the common terminology and types of viruses in information technology. In the next part of IT Awareness and Terminology module, we'll talk about technologies such as firewall, voice over internet protocol, and file transfer protocol.